Want to stay organized? Watch this video till the end. Hey there, it's Atrayee here. Welcome back to my channel, Creative Ideas, and today I'm going to show you how I plan my week. Let's begin. Well, I start with the month name first. So like, for example, July or August or September, whatever like that, I will write that in bold capital letters on the top. And then the next thing that I do is I would write by and the Saturday date. For example, if a Saturday falls on the 24th of the month, then I would write by 24th. Then I would start writing all the points that I need to do in bullets. Like I would actually prioritize the things which I definitely want to do in that week in the first, then go one by one by one by one. And then I actually keep adding more and more and more and more as I go along the week. Then once those are done, I would cross those bullets out and then move on. Then on another Saturday, I would check which are the things I could do and which I couldn't. So the ones which I couldn't complete, I would put an arrow beside that, meaning that that could be transferred to the next week's to-do list. Then I would move on to the next week's to-do list. I would start writing them, prioritizing the things that I permanently do, and then writing the things that I didn't do that previous week. So that's how I plan. It's so easy, I know. But that's to help you. And this is how I complete all my things, or at least try to do so, and not keep things lagging for the next week. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, but I would really appreciate if you would like to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell for more updates.